Hey Dimas, why didn't you come to campus yesterday?
I went to sick and go make it to campus.
Oh, I am sorry, I didn't know that you were sick. We had high Bahasa English quiz, and it was so difficult.
Really?
Yeah, we all go back Grace, Mr. Sujarwo. Also that as I know material yesterday.
Do you mean it I want the notes from yesterday? I don't to miss out about the material.
No, sir, here are the notes.
Thank you. I will return tomorrow morning.
Okay, no problem.